What's up everyone, this is Wayne here. Today I'm going to do another update video on the Traxxas Mini-Max 4-wheel drive truck. Now you see this thing got used once again this weekend. Because, well, you know how this thing has been used almost like quite a bit of odd times, you can see, because you see how much it's better this machine exactly, which is, it's easier, you take the body off on this thing exactly, which, again, because they have these body clips you can see, but, that's how much it's better this thing exactly, which, this is, you can see how much it's better this thing exactly, and, I mean, it does get used when you see the motor is really hard, and you can see, and then you have to make sure to keep the motor, keep the out of the motor, because a lot of times they get burned up, and you see there's a lot of stuff that could glass on the top of this, you see, because you see how it's been used, and you see how the thing was been used, you see, nothing's broken surprisingly, which is good, because a lot of times the machines get broken almost quite a bit, especially like the steering will go out, the gears will split and everything, but this bolt was missing, so I just put it on there, you see. The body, not so much. You can see the body's getting some cracks. You can see right there, you can see, but definitely what you expected this thing, which definitely will get used again in the next week as well, so you know how expected this thing is going to get used almost like quite a bit. And I do like the same one because you see how much expected this machine exactly, which is definitely what I expected this machine exactly. I'm really surprised this thing's not broken surprisingly, it's definitely survived the whole weekend. It's definitely how I expected this machine. And well, I expected this machine's been used almost quite a bit because you know how expected this thing's actually is going to get used almost quite a bit because you see how much expected it's going to get used again. Now 5 days again.